I literally cannot go sleep, guys, at all. It's because of everything that's happening right now. Let me explain. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 61 cents, slightly in the green today, right? But Bitcoin, 39k about, guys, insane. That's not even the crazy part. We're going to be talking about it. We have a bunch of different things to talk about today, guys, right? A lot of connections here and there. But now, guys, let's start off on part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting from Seller 17. Hello, December. There we go, guys. It is truly December the 1st of 2023, right? We are inching closer to 2024, guys. Hopefully, fortune smiles upon us in the year 2024, right? Prosperity. Now, Elon yesterday stated, the apocalypse feels a little closer every year. Apocalypse now, soon. David, it's going to be a rough ride. Are you ready? What's interesting about this is David Schwartz did say this, guys, right from a few years back, December 4th, was at Antarctica, if I'm not mistaken. Right. Now, a rough ride, maybe in events, yes, guys, because the world will be flipped on its head. But pertaining towards price, I think it's going to be very bullish, right? Bitcoin, beautiful, right? 39k about. XRP moving up as well. But this is where it gets crazy. No one else called it except us, guys. Name me one person who did. Comment it down below. But look at the Dow Jones. About to make a new all-time high, guys. You can't make that stuff up. It's so close to it, right? SPX, inching closer, guys. Right? Look at that. Gold is as well, right? So this just foretells or foreshadows the upcoming recession possibly on the horizon, maybe 2024, right? A black swan and whatnot. So things are looking quite well, guys. Insane stuff, right? Gold new record high. Welcome to the era of gold, guys. But they need to make gold calm down, because I want to buy some gold, guys, right before the collapse. So hopefully they do suppress it for a little bit longer. Jim Cramer stated, this rally reminds me of some of the great 1980s and 1990s rallies where rates would go down and stocks would soar. I'm not sure people realize how truly powerful this rally is. It is extraordinary, guys. Is it truly over, guys? Right? Is that why gold is pumping? People want to be hedged in case of a dump, plummet in prices, or a collapse, recession, who knows. Then he says the shorts are scrambling all over the place, guys. Wow, his advice cover. Well, I don't know, guys. Volatility is definitely incoming. You know what I want? I hope they just make Bitcoin's price skyrocket to the upside, right? I hope they rip the bandage off, guys, but to the upside, to leave everyone behind. From Babakak, so it begins. SEC spot Bitcoin ETF potential approval window is between January 5th to the 10th, 2024. So it begins in January, huh? Look at this as well. XRP ETP expected, so it's similar to an ETF, if I'm not mistaken, guys, right? It's basically an exchange traded product to launch early December 2023. But in Europe, if that's the case, guys, yep, European investors, there you go. So XRP ETP, Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF soon as well. Look at what's happening. Grayscale CEO says, it's been a 10-year dress rehearsal. We are ready for the main event. Right, a spot Bitcoin ETF. Main event soon, huh? Now, I'm not too worried about XRP's price, right? Well, this is why. Yes, Ripple Aerospace is a real company. Yes, they have rockets. Yes, their logo is purple. Just data points, guys, as we can see right here. This is why I'm not worried. There's literally a rocket company named Ripple, right? What are the chances of that? Am I too worried? No, right? But that isn't financial advice, because we're literally schizophrenic at this point. Now, are we delusional though? No, because they were always right, because they were given the green light, right? As you guys can see, yeah, we may not believe in the riddles, right? Or some of us may not. Most of us may not, right? A lot of people don't believe in the Riddlers, but it seems as they don't care if we don't, right? Because they do. Check this out. Hey XRP family, here's a video of Brad Garlinghouse when he was over at AOL, right? This was from so long ago, guys, but could it just be a coincidence? Let us investigate further. And pay attention to the words he says, guys, okay? Look how he says certain things. Certain words he chooses as well to say. If you guys can like today's video, I'll really appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm Brad Garlinghouse, and I wanted to give you guys some color on a pretty cool event we did here in Palo Alto last Thursday. We invited a bunch of media in from across really the tech industry, as well as some key partners, to talk about what a different company AOL is today. And instead of doing the standard kind of walking people through a PowerPoint deck, we decided to tell our story on whiteboards. And so I thought I'd show you some of the cool stuff the team did. One of the things we started by doing is talking about how different AOL today is as a company. And one of the best kind of tangible examples of that is how our brand has changed, how the logo of the company has changed. And so some of the designers here in Palo Alto built a mural just with various funny items, what's going on, kind of inside jokes occasionally, but anyway, obviously put the AOL brand on top of it. But we use this as kind of a metaphor in talking with the press and partners about how different AOL is and how much the brand has changed. The brand also has huge brand recognition, and so we talked about how we are investing in the brand, and one of the key things, and we did the kind of White House, we're walking, one of the things we did to talk about that is how the brand of any company is really at the heart, and it's a reflection of the products they build, and the products you build are a reflection of the people you employ, and we know that great.
That's crazy, guys, right? Who painted, who's just thinking of a phoenix, right? To draw or paint, guys. No one is. Pac-Man was over there as well, guys.
Great was spelled wrong. And really, great people are a reflection of a great culture. And so we talked about how we've thought about as a company investing in building a better culture, investing in our people, and that ends up building better products, and that'll reflect of the brand. That takes time, obviously, but it's something we're starting to see more and more of the pixels we launch as a company that are more a reflection of the new AOL, no matter what your tenure here has been, really a new reflection of where we're going as a company. So we used the other thing, had a couple of key hires, and we also talked about moving into the Palo Alto office, the Thing Labs, Brisley joining the team here.
A bear, a phoenix. How many phoenixes do they? It seems like they loved the phoenix, right? They just love phoenixes, guys. I mean, you just can't make this stuff up, right? It's interesting as well, the dates, right? November and December.
Here.
So what are your guys' thoughts? Comment down below. But wait a moment. What do we see right here? From Elon Musk. Ducks are only in a row when in motion. Isaac Newton. My ducks are absolutely not in a row. I don't even know where some of them are, and I'm pretty sure one of them is a pigeon, okay? Now I mean, how are we just going crazy, right? Because when we talk about ducks in a row from Mr. Poole, line it up, guys, line them up, right? As we can see, all these damn connections right here. So what's up with this? If I had a pet duck, right, from David Schwartz, DuckTales. David Schwartz was a writer on one season, one episode of the original DuckTales. Episode written, the money vanishes. We find out money isn't even real in the first place, guys. I'm pretty sure that's what David Schwartz did say before as well, right? So, I don't know, very odd if you ask me, right? And it gets even more odd because, more strange. I mean, I know for a fact Elon Musk knows about the riddles, right? It's guaranteed at this point, guys. He's in the XRP community. He just doesn't want to speak on it, obviously, because if he does, he's going to be stepping out of line. You want to be in line. Duh. But transaction details, username, Musk. Activated by, with 16 million XRP. Come on. Right. Not to mention, source. We see Isaac Newton as well. Delivered amount 1133. I mean, come on, guys, right? Isaac Newton, huh? Now, I have noticed something about the people of the past, is that these people are connected to the occult in some type of manner or fashion, guys, right? And this is how we know Elon Musk is a part of them as well. He was one of the last magicians. Alchemical papers. Not to mention, check this out, 12:44 p.m., right, Eastern Standard Time, 3:44. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3:44, 3:44. How many times could it be a quote unquote coincidence, right? Even from David Schwartz talks about ducks, right? A pet duck. Interesting. Mr. Poole tweeted this out on 13, right? David Schwartz, same thing, 13. And then from Elon Musk, he tweeted this out today. It's on a 13. What is that? Stop it, please. Then we have to talk about the SEC quickly because something crazy just happened. The pattern will emerge from Mr. Poole, right? And the connection to 589 and the connection to right, 589, which is basically the reset. And then, if not mistaken, he did talk about SCOTUS as well, right, with one of those tweets. This is from Sir Alderodi himself, guys. Court orders SEC to show cause why it should not be sanctioned for making false and misleading representations to the courts. SEC versus Deathbox, guys. Wow. Right, that happened yesterday, supposedly. Wait a moment, what? Now, this will tie into some type of 13 other defendants, huh? A fraudulent scheme to sell crypto asset securities to hundreds of United States investors that raised approximately $50 million. But what's up with this, guys, right? So does this mean that they were possibly lying, right? And they are what? Corrupted. They're trying to fulfill an agenda from Johnny Deaton. I've been saying this for over 3 years that the SEC is a corrupt institution. For those of you who believe I'm wrong, read, right? I'm not going to read all of this, guys, but I will have the links down here as well. We know the game plan, though, right? They may seem as bad as they are right now, but during the collapse or after it, they're going to be seen as the heroes. Bill Morgan comes out that Ripple SEC versus Ripple case was to settle in the next few days. It will involve Ripple agreeing to pay a fine of $150 million. I think that number could do it, right? What do you guys think? So, Sir Alderodi comes out with some type of... The Supreme Court has repeatedly ruled against the SEC in recent years. Why is Sir Alderodi talking about the Supreme Court? Right? Eyes win in the Supreme Court case. Sir Alderodi has hinted at a potential victory for Ripple if the case escalates to the U.S. Supreme Court. Interesting, huh? Maybe same time during the collapse. Like we've been saying, it's going to be timed perfectly. Now, the fountain for today's video comes from Bob McCox. A little dose of reality. If you didn't buy XRP, what else would you have done with the money, guys? Invest it elsewhere or spend it? Right, comment down below. Again, XRP is doing very well, guys, right? Especially if you bought during the 20 cents levels and whatnot, right? Who knows, though? Again, things are going to get exciting here very soon, hopefully. Nah, but nature wise. What news, guys? Sophie's business. See ya.